Today we'll be doing a gaming test on the Acer Swift 3. Let's get into it. What's up y'all, I'm Shaq and this channel is all about tech. I've recently unboxed the Acer Swift 3. If you haven't checked the video, make sure you check it out. I've left the link in the description box below. I've been with the laptop for a couple weeks and today I've decided to make a gaming test. We'll be playing GTA 5 for some time and see how the laptop behaves. Before we get started, I'd like to send a special shout out to Brown Phoenix and to Steven M. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Make sure you guys check out Brown Phoenix channel. She's got a lot of dope content to deliver to you guys. Without further delay, let's jump into the video. So the first thing I did is jump into graphics settings and set everything to max except the texture quality.
I gotta post this online. Jesus fucking Christ! Oh my God!
Smell like wise up. Fucking on your thigh, your bitch, you wild as hell. Oh, I spend a check up on my way. In that bed, we're gonna your wise up. Spend a check up on my jet, wise up. Spend a check up on my bed by myself. Keep your shit on kid flow by myself.
Lame ass.
Citizens report don't with the deadly weapon here.
It's home now, motherfucker.
What the fuck?
Acknowledge.
Cardi for the car, sign the mission like a video to my love. BBS, why I said, and the got water that come out the way.
That's dumb luck right there.
For sale, man, that YSL till I let it pay. Pop a tag, gas, they been when you're gonna, y'all walk inside the club, smell like wise up. Fucking on your thigh, your bitch, you wild as hell. Spend a check up on my watch, the frame is wild as hell. Fucking on your thigh, smell like wise up. In that bed, we're gonna, y'all wise up. Wise up. Gas, I can't get that when you're gonna, y'all wise up. Walk inside the club, smell like wise up.
Hey, you just turned this into a buck.
Spend a check up on my watch, the frame is wide as hell. Fucking on your thigh, smell like wise up. In that bed, we're gonna, y'all wise up.
You gotta take time and center yourself.
After some minutes of playing, I've decided to set the texture quality to max as well. Let's see how it behaves.
Don't get all hysterical, honey.
What the fuck?
Hey, look, man.
Look! You were like a son to me. Employee of the month. Does that mean nothing to you?
Man, the dude had a gun to my head.
No loyalty, no integrity. You should have taken the bullet. My business, my totally legitimate business. You're fucked, my boy. Fucked.
Man, screw this.
Electronic sound, electronic soul. Charles Peterson, Worldwide FM.
It's on now, motherfucker.
We have an attack on a vehicle on West Eclipse Boulevard.
You won't be up.
We copy you. On standby.
Suspect last seen on West Eclipse Boulevard in Roger that. Attention all units. Air support is returning to base for renewal.
Yeah, that's me. Good night.
That's vaccine on Bowman Street. We've got an opposite set on fire.
So overall, if you want to play games occasionally and you want to have fun with the laptop, I would recommend you in getting the laptop. But if you are a full-time gamer or you want to play games more often, I would recommend you to save up a bit more and get a better laptop. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe so you do not miss my next video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.